What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So if any of you guys do a lot of traveling, you might be frustrated with the fact that every single time you go to a brand new country, you need to go and dig around and figure out what adapter goes with the power outlets at that country. Or worse, you get to the country and then you realize you don't have an adapter, and then your phone dies and you're freaking out and everything is going and turning into a massive mess. Something as simple as this can be fixed with our cool little worldwide travel adapter kit from Ceptics, and this video is brought to you guys by Ceptics, so go ahead and check out their link below. Now, taking a look at the device itself, you basically plug it into the wall outlet and it serves a bajillion different purposes. So first of all, it's super safe, and we're going to talk about safety in just a little bit, because it is taking one outlet and converting it and then making it multiple outlets. And then you can also have two USB inputs. You have two actual outlets to plug whatever your laptop or something into, and basically that should be good enough to charge all your different devices with one little adapter. How cool is that? Now, what exactly can this do? So first of all, it accepts standard North American 2 or 3 prong flat pin NEMA plugs, so that's something. And then on top of that, you have two USB ports with 2.1 amps going in, so you can charge your smartphones, tablets, iPhones, or iPads, or any other USB devices that you need to. And lastly, it even has a built-in attached micro USB cable, because you never know when you need one of those. How cool is that? It also has a 2-year limited warranty, so if something happens, this is an electrical device, you are pretty much set on that end as well. Now, it's also designed for travelers, so you basically choose the outlets that you need depending on what country you're going to. It supports up to 200 countries. I don't think there's that many countries in the world, so basically you're set no matter where you're going. And it has all the different adapters that we're going to mention in just a second. Now, it comes in at 2.75 inches times 3.75 inches times 1.5 inches. So basically, it's about the size of, maybe your hand. And so it's super portable. You can fit it into your pocket, and it weighs less than 5 pounds. So you're set on top of that as well, or 5 Oz, not pounds. And then you also have max amps up to 10 amps. So it can power quite a bit of devices. But I will mention this very big disclaimer: it does not convert voltage, so please check what voltage you are. Things like hair dryers and electric toothbrushes and a lot of things that you might use in the bathroom, like 100 and 240 volt devices, are fine, but anything that's like 110 volts only, usually those aren't really going to work with this, so please don't plug it in. It might mess up your device itself. You have a max voltage up to 250 volts, and it's ETHL listed and RoHS compliant as well. So basically, it is relatively safe. You just have to make sure you're plugging in the right thing. Now, if you're wondering if your country is supported, Type A is most of North America, Type B is also most of North America, but a lot of South America, Asia, Africa, Oceania. And if you want to go on their website, I'm gonna link it below. You can check if the country is supported. It should be, but to make sure what type, like if it's type A, B, C, L, or whatever, you want to make sure and go on their website so you bring the right adapter. If you don't, it's going to be pretty awkward and you might have to buy one. For example, type D works in Afghanistan, while type E and F may work in Finland and France, while type H is only supported in Israel and on the Gaza Strip. And there's a bunch of them. There's things like type N, which is only available in Brazil, so it all depends. It is very helpful because on the actual adapter itself, it tells you what type it is, and then on like the little box, it tells you what country that goes to. But once again, make sure, double check, and sometimes countries change, so if you're keeping this for years and years, double check and make sure everything is set to go. All in all, in my testing, it works amazing. It converts one little outlet into basically 4, because you're charging 2 devices with the USB, and then on top of that, it has little LED indicators telling you which is what, and then on top of that, you can charge 2 outlets, so you can have 2 laptops charging, and you're pretty much set to go as well. All in all, I give this product a nice 10 out of 10. In this price range, it's really hard to find something that even compares. And once you buy this a single time, if you travel a lot, you're pretty much set. Or maybe you're planning on going on a massive, voyage all around the world. Once again, this might be the product for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.